Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Hey y'all, we took Voyage to the Falls boat cruise, about a 20-minute boat cruise to the Niagara Falls, where we got to see the falls up close in person and got very, very, very wet. Y'all be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment down below, let us know, have you taken the whistleblower or the voyage to the falls, or have you viewed the Niagara Falls from a different view, or would you suggest a different view to view the Niagara Falls? When you subscribe to our channel, you get consistent content from us. You get a new video every single Friday, and you also get shorts about 3 times a week. So you will get content after content after content when you subscribe to our channel. So to get to this cruise, the boat, it is a little process. You have to walk down, get on a couple elevators, and then once you get down to the boat area, they have like a lot of not a lot, some entertainment. So they have food there, snacks. They had a live band while we were there. And I think that's more so to kind of catch your attention after you get off of the boat. But if you want to grab food beforehand, I don't see why not. But you certainly don't want to bring food on this boat with you. Now, they do give you a red raincoat. Not a raincoat, like a poncho. It's plastic, and you put it on to help you get less wet. I will say, depending on the side of the boat you're on, you're still going to get soaking wet. We got really, really wet. If you have a lot of hair, make sure you wear your hair down so your hood will fit. My hood did not fit. My hair got wet, okay? If you are wearing pants, I would suggest like wide pants or bell bottoms. Kind of tuck them into your socks so the bottoms don't get wet when the floor of that boat gets wet. Hey, we are boarding. We're about to, hopefully this thing fits over my hair. We'll see.
You're gonna have to make it fit. Cause they go all the way up in them.
Video. We are on the boat. We're ready to take off.
Ready.
The process to get on the boat moves along really quickly. The line looked very long, but somehow we all fit on this boat. It took less than a few minutes, honestly, to get us all on here. That stuff floating around in the water, we looked it up. Apparently, it is harmless. It just looks nasty to look at, but it won't bother you. Not toxic. On some areas of the boats, you have literally just standing room. It does feel a little cramped, a little packed, but it's not unbearable, especially as you get closer to the water, because then people start to move away from the edge. Like before you get up to the falls, everyone's crowded around the edge, but as you start to get wet, people start moving. The view there was just gorgeous, like beautiful. We did see some birds. They look kind of like seagulls, kind of just floating along the water, kind of like ducks almost. They look like ducks, but I don't think they were. It looked like seagulls. Um, we also Oh, another tip. If you can avoid wearing glasses, I would avoid them because they will get wet. Same thing if you're taking pictures, your camera will get wet, which you'll see when we're video recording as we get closer to the falls. Everything will get wet. And that's one thing we kind of knew we were going to get wet, but we didn't know we would get soaking wet. Now, you do dry quickly. At least we did in September. When you get off, you take off the red poncho, toss it in the garbage. I want to say it took maybe 2 hours for us to dry. We were dry by the time we got back onto our tour bus, and we were just fine riding home. So we didn't need to bring a change of clothes. But if you have small children, that might be a good idea.
You said we're not going up in there. I think we are.
Oh.
I think we're going closer.
So what do you all think of this? Would you try it? Have you tried it before? If you saw our last video with the Skyline Tower, would you prefer to see the falls from the boat, or would you prefer to see it from the Skyline Tower, or would you try both of them maybe? Let us know down in the comments. If you do decide to try this, they do have these tours running all day, so you can buy your tickets ahead of time, or you can purchase your tickets the day of if you go there. Now, we did this in September, okay? This option is not open during the wintertime, which would only make sense because it is freezing cold in Canada in the winter. Nobody wants to be soaking wet during a Canadian winter. So spring, summer, fall, you can check it out. Let us know. Afterwards, we went and tried a Canadian snack, which is popular here, which are the ketchup chips, and they taste pretty good. All right, y'all. This is a Canadian delicacy called ketchup chips. It is very popular here. I don't think they sell this in the U.S., but here you can see right here, made in Canada. Canadians love them. I've had them before when I traveled to Canada, and I'm not going to tell you how they taste yet. But this is Angela's first time trying it, and she's excited to try them out. You ready?
I'm ready. All right, let's see. I like ketchup.
You like chips?
And I like chips. They actually smell pretty good.
Okay, let's see what they look like. All right. That bag empty as heck.
Ain't ate a chip yet. Let's see. Okay. Here's the color.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
What's it taste like?
It actually tastes like ketchup.
Okay.
Yeah, because you know how ketchup has like a little bit of sweetness to it.
Okay.
Tastes like ketchup chips. It's not bad.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Would you recommend people try it if they come
Yes.
to Canada?
I say try everything in life that's safe.
Yeah. Okay.
Kids, that's safe. Try it.
Try everything at least 3 times.
Well, that's your
Just
rule.
kidding.
I didn't say that. That's what you said.
Okay.
Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.